Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the M1 Finance app. First, download the app and create a new account. You'll then link your bank to fund your investments. M1 Finance allows you to build a custom portfolio, known as a pie, by selecting various stocks and exchange-traded funds. This platform is designed for long-term investors seeking automation and diversification. It's a powerful tool for managing your money efficiently. To create your investment pie, navigate to the Invest tab. Here, you can choose from pre-built expert pies or select individual stocks and exchange-traded funds. Assign a percentage to each holding, ensuring your total allocation equals 100%. M1 Finance will then automatically invest your deposits according to these percentages, helping you stay on track with your financial goals. Funding your M1 Finance account is straightforward. Link your external bank account to easily transfer funds for deposits and withdrawals. We recommend setting up recurring deposits, even small amounts like $25 weekly, to leverage dollar-cost averaging. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and make adjustments to your pie as your financial objectives evolve. M1 Finance offers more than just investing. Explore M1 Borrow, which allows you to take out flexible, low-cost loans against your portfolio, often at competitive rates like 3–5%. Also, check out M1 Spend for integrated banking features, including a debit card and checking account. For those looking to simplify home chores, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Be sure to check the description for a link to this product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.